Boy, do we got a treat today. Six Brothers beef Wagyu steaks on the slow and sear kettle. Let's go. All right, it's beautiful out here in Texas. The kettle's smelling good. We got some cherry wood rolling. Check out these awesome looking Wagyu steaks from Six Brothers beef that we're gonna smoke up on the slow and sear kettle. The marbling's insane in them. They're super tender already. I am excited to grill these up. This is gonna be a treat. So what we're gonna do is I've got some salt, pepper, garlic here. We're gonna go on with a base coat of salt, pepper, garlic. Don't have to get too heavy with it, just a little bit. It's gonna add a little extra pop of flavor with that saltiness on this Wagyu beef. And then we're gonna go with some Cosmos cow cover. This stuff's really good also. Move this aside, and we'll get this on there too. We have the slow and sear kettle rolling at about 325 on the indirect side, so that's perfect for starting out, getting some smoke flavor on this steak, and should be awesome with the cherry wood and this Wagyu beef and these seasonings combined. I am excited about it. So this is what we're looking like on one side. I'm not going to get too crazy with the seasonings because this is Wagyu. Check that marbling out. I'm going to go ahead and finish this, get these seasoned up, let them rest for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to toss these on to the slow and sear kettle. So the kettle is up to about 300 degrees on the indirect side, and it's time to get these beautiful Wagyu steaks onto the kettle so they can start smoking with that cherry wood. So we'll just set them right here on the indirect side, and that's how we're going to start cooking our steaks. And we want to bring those up to about 100 degrees internal. Then we'll flip them, get them close to about 115 degrees internal, and then we're going to crank this basket up and sear it up. So next time I check on this, I'll bring y'all back. We'll get a temperature reading, and we'll keep on cooking. Man, oh man, we've got some awesome looking Wagyu steaks going on here. You can see that nice mahogany color that the steaks are taking on from that cherry smoke. Let's go ahead and flip these over. I just temped them with our Thermopin IR, and I let them go a little bit more than I should before I flipped them, but it's still going to be okay. We're under that temperature to still get a medium rare. We're right around 112-ish, 115. I just threw a basket, or a handful I should say, of cherry wood chips into the basket, and we're going to flip these, let those soak up for about 2 more minutes, and then I'm going to pull them off, really crank this basket up here so we can sear it up. So these are looking awesome. Let me bring y'all in for a close-up, show you what the steaks are looking like, and then next time I see y'all, we're going to get some sizzle action on that basket. Taking on a nice smoke color, like I said, still look completely juicy. Smells awesome. Got plenty of fuel in the basket. I'm going to shut this down for about 2 minutes. Let them soak up a little bit more smoke on this side. I'm going to pull them off, dab them down with a paper towel, and then we're going to sear them up on the basket. All right, everybody, we are in the kitchen, and I just dabbed these beautiful steaks down with a paper towel to get any excess moisture off the surface of them. It's important to do that before you sear it, because that is going to make sure when you put these steaks on the grill grate that it starts searing right from the get-go. That moisture slows down the searing process, so we dabbed them down with a paper towel. These are looking beautiful. We've got the slow and sear kettle getting fired up. I added some more charcoal and some more cherry wood chips. So let's go ahead and get out to the kettle and sear these bad boys off. All right, people, like I said, it's time to sear these beautiful Wagyu steaks off on the slow and sear kettle. Again, the information for Six Brothers beef will be down below in the description box. I went ahead and added some cherry wood chips in here and about a 1/4 chimney of charcoal just to make sure we were nice and hot on our grill grate. We don't have much more to cook on these steaks. We just need a quick sear. So let's go ahead and toss these bad boys on, press them down, make sure we get some good contact with the surface of the grate. Man, this is smelling awesome. There we go. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and let those go for about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes each side. And we've got just a already ready salad kit that we're going to toss together as well. So we're going to have steak and salad. next time I see y'all, these bad boys will have rested for about 10 or 15 minutes, and we're going to give it all a taste. Alright everybody, here we have our Six Brothers Beef Wagyu steaks done after they've rested for about 5 or 10 minutes. Got an awesome crust on there with that last portion of the sear. It's time to go ahead and cut into these, and then we're going to go ahead and pair it with that Caesar salad. We chose Caesar salad today. That's what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and cut into these and see what it's looking like here. This looks awesome, full of juice still, extra tender. Let's cut right here and get us a see what we're looking like. Wow, check that out. Got that fat running through that meat. This is exactly what I was looking for. Let me turn this way and get y'all some cuts. There we go. Just like butter. It smells insanely good. And what better combo with a steak than a nice salad? Comment down below, what do you like with your steak? Let me go ahead and set this over here so you can see it a little better. Let me know what you like with your steak. I like a baked potato, I like salad. But today, like I said, we're going to have Caesar salad with it. And now that we're getting it sliced up, if you wanted to, you could top it with just a little bit more of that seasoning that you started with, whatever your favorite steak rub is. And just to go ahead and advance that flavor that you started with. So I'm going to go ahead and keep cutting this up, and we'll give it a try. And that's how I reverse sear a Wagyu steak. Check that out. Got a nice little Caesar salad kit, like I said. Whipped it up, 5 minutes. You get your steak, you get your vegetables. Let's go ahead and give this Wagyu a try by itself. Look at that, perfect cook. Cheers, everybody. That literally just dissolved in my mouth. Y'all need to check out Six Brothers Beef. This flavor on these steaks are insane with that rub combination and the Wagyu beef coming through. It's really awesome. Let's go ahead and get me a little bit of this Caesar salad right here. Got a crouton and some steak here. There we go. Smells insane. Look at that. Here we go. It doesn't get any better than Wagyu steaks, guys. Pair it with a salad. Get you a potato. Bake that potato. Put the steak over that, or just put it on this salad like we did today. I appreciate y'all for stopping by What's New Barbecue. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscription button and the bell. Sorry, I'm going to eat me another bite. Make sure you hit the subscription button and the bell so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. It's time to eat. Appreciate y'all for stopping by. See y'all next time.